Okay, port engine neutral. Okay.
Wait, neutral's here.
Neutral's there, okay. Okay, starboard engine neutral. Okay, so we've stopped our forward motion and we're feeling the weather, the wind. Starboard only forward gear. The black knob. Starboard only forward gear. Neutral. See how that turned the boat a little to the left? Port only forward gear. Let's bring the boat back to the right a little bit. Neutral. Now we're feeling the weather and the wind, both forward. Neutral. Okay, drifting a little bit. And a quick 1-2 maneuver, port forward, starboard reverse.
Oops.
Well, the other way, Well, you have to wait and pause in between. Okay, we're straightening up, we're doing good. Starboard only neutral. Starboard forward. Starboard neutral. Leave the port in gear. See how we're inching up closer, closer, closer. Leave the port in gear. Starboard reverse for a second. Beautiful. Starboard neutral. Okay, starboard forward. Neutral, both neutral. Port reverse, port reverse. Okay, see how close you get? And we're finding into the wind. Okay, neutral. So we're using the wind as an asset. If we were going downwind, we would crash into that marker. But since we're going upwind, anytime we go in neutral, we go backwards. So port only forward. Leave the port forward and the starboard reverse. See how we're skewing? We're coming around. Leave the port in forward, but when we get lined up on the marker, take the starboard to neutral and pause, and then forward gear. Okay, starboard neutral, pause, forward gear. Okay, turn the steering wheel right. Something's wrong with the steering wheel. Okay, both neutral. See how fast we went? We were in idle and forward gear with both engines. We came forward pretty quick. Port only forward. Both forward. Port neutral. Okay, both neutral. Feel the wind is blowing us downwind to our starboard, so the wind's picking up, so it might be an idea for us to head back to safe harbor. So you've got an idea about how the shifters work. So to make a hard right turn, put the ports forward. See how we're turning already? And then we'll make our full circle and head back to Georgetown. And then we'll see about putting this back in the slip at the marina.